6-point lead by the Tomahawks. The green team, Hugas for the ball. Rejected. Green ball. Oh. Blue ball. Number 5.
Aye.
Misses. Rebound by number 6. To number 5. Number 14. Number 14. Turn around. And a traveling was called.
What?
Green ball. Hugas. To Tira. Tira. No good. Number 19 to number 6. Pass. Number 19 again. Misses. Brown number ball. Still blue ball.
They're not playing.
Hugas. To Kiss. Number 19 to number 15. Hook shot, no good. Rebound by Gulas. Foul number 15. Sub.
Mga Shonda na, mga Thunders. Ngayon eh.
Tira.
Let's go.
To Himas. Himas to Hugas. Hugas passes to Himas. Almost lost the ball. Himas loses the ball.
Let's
To
go.
number 5. Misses the shot.
Foul.
And a foul. Number 5. Score is still 80-12. 5 minutes. 14 fouls. Tira loses the ball.
Go, Cheeto.
Number 5.
Ah.
Pass to Tira. Tira. Passes to the last. Very slicky. Who's calling for timeout? Timeout, Tomahawks. 4 minutes and 38 seconds.
Timeout.
Ang gagawin next week.
Next week, we might go to Charlotte or go to Virginia.
Winners for today's games. First game,
Gagawin na naman?
Carolina Real Teams. Winner of the second game, first game winner, GGCF. Second game, Carolina Real Team. Third game, Shioku. Fourth game, to Dulas, to Hugas, no good. Dulas, Tugale, back to Dulas, Dulas. Number 26 to number 15. Number 26. Pass to number 14. No fouls. Good goal. Ball is good, still in play. Number 18. Passes to 15. Tomahawk down under. Foul. Foul number 32. Papagalit. Don't make him mad.
Papagalit.
Patinan. Patinan. Wala na tinan.
First
Nice.
shot. 19-12.
How many more? 3 or 2?
Oh, tumitira. Hindi buwan nitira si Imo. No good. Rebound by the... Foul number 5. Foul number 5. Green ball. To tira. Tira pass. Tira was hit. Substitution. 10 in. Penalty. 1-on-1.
What?
2 shots, 1 shot, 1-on-1. Titira sa tira. Takes the tira. 19-13. Oh, 1-on-1.
Ay, bawal men. Bawal yan.
19-14. It's a 4-point lead now by Green. Less than a minute remaining. 26 to number 15, drives it in. Didn't make it.
Sige, natin may pasok na bola.
Himas. Squeezes it in. Himas again. No good. Hugas.
Take it. Oh.
Loses the ball. No good. Number 19. No good. Himas for the ball.
Oh my God.
Totira. 7. No good. And that concludes the first half of the game.